In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add icons to Figma using Font Awesome. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newcomer looking to spice up your designs, incorporating icons can give your project just the right touch of polish and professionalism. This tutorial is designed to be quick, efficient, and above all, helpful. To start, head over to Figma, your go-to collaborative interface design tool. If you're already familiar with Figma, you'll know that it's a powerful platform for creating stunning visuals and designs collaboratively. Once you're on the Figma homepage, look for the login button. Clicking this will take you to a screen where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your projects and design files. After logging in, navigate to your home screen on Figma. This page is essentially your dashboard where you can view all your recent files and any design projects you've been collaborating on. From here, you'll want to click on the Design tab. This tab is your gateway to all the creative tools Figma offers, allowing you to open and work on any design projects you have in your account. Next, turn your attention to the Action menu. Clicking here will help you search for icons. This is particularly useful when you have a particular style or theme of icons in mind, and you're aiming to maintain consistency across your design. Once you're in the Icons search dialog, type in the keywords related to the icons you need. This could range from simple shapes to complex logos depending on your project. In the search results, look for Icons 8. Icons 8 is an excellent resource that integrates seamlessly with Figma, offering a variety of icons you can choose from. Click on Icons 8 to proceed. Here you'll find a vast library of icons to explore, each of interest depending on the needs of your current project. Spend a few moments browsing to find the perfect icon for your design. After selecting Icons 8, you'll then want to click the Run button. This will execute the plugin and allow you to add the selected icon directly into your Figma design file. The ease with which you can incorporate these icons into your work can significantly enhance your workflow, saving you time and effort. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to add icons to your Figma design with Font Awesome. With these icons in your design toolkit, you can improve the aesthetics and functionality of your projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to experiment and explore the many icons available to fit your design needs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.